If you got a hole to dig, this might be your rig. Schield Bantam cable excavator. And if you ever seen one of these on YouTube working, there's a few good videos. These things are fast. A good operator. Actually surprising. You think everything that's old is slow, but not the case. It's hard to say which one's older, the truck or the... Actually, I'm going to say the excavator's older than the truck. Can't get down that side. At least you didn't have to change buckets back then. They were just for digging, laborers were for cleanup, or bulldozers. Swings and things. Gas motor back there. Engine, if you want to get technical. Yikes. Oh, it's hard to get through right here. Open up. But had a full glass cab. Must have been something back then, not getting wet. It's got an hour meter, just for, got a look at that for fun. 418. That's a newer meter. Red seal. I don't know what that is. Some kind of flathead. This is a model T35.